Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I'm going to be making some chicken feet done in a yum cha style, like you get in your sort of old school favourite dim sum Chinese restaurant. And there's a little bit of a process to it, but it's none of it's hard. The first thing I want to do, I've just got some water boiling here, and in that I've got some, like a big knob of ginger that I've just sliced up. I've got the green bits of some spring onion or scallions. I'm just going to add to that a little bit of Chinese cooking wine, just a slug, not too much, and a little bit of light soy sauce, again just not too much of that. Now I've got here a kg of chicken feet. Now I really could have added these to the budget, one of my budget specials. If you've seen my last two videos, I've been doing budget specials. In fact, I might brackets budget special number 3, because these take the cake. A kilo of these cost me just over $5 Australian, so we're talking $3 US. Right, let's get them in there. We're just going to blanch these for about 3 or 4 minutes. Once it gets back up to the boil. And I'll just put the lid on just to get it back up to the boil quicker. Alright, I'll see you in 3 or 4 minutes. Alrighty guys, now once they've been boiling for that 4 minutes, I've just drained all the water out of them. I'm just going to leave them sit now. And what I wanted to do was kind of dry out, so I might even get some paper towel and spread them out on the paper towel individually, just to speed up that process of them drying up. I did forget to mention, I wonder if these are too hot to pick up. Probably are. Oh no. Prior to me, oh that is hot. Prior to starting, I did trim all these nails, like the tips of the claws off, so that there's no sort of pointy nail bits. That's just, you don't have to do that, but I prefer it. Alrighty guys, so it's a little bit later. I've just let my chicken feet there sort of air out a bit so that it gets a bit dry, because like I said, I'm going to be deep frying them now, and I don't want too much moisture on them because I just splatter everywhere and all that. And like I said, there's a little bit of sort of preparation you need to do with this dish. Over here, out of sight, I'll just move it over temp for a sec. I've got ice water bath, and I'll move it away from the heat because I don't want it to get warm. I want it to stay icy cold with those ice cubes in it. I'm going to be frying my chicken feet sort of in batches for maybe 15 minutes or so each batch, and then I'm going to be immediately putting them into that ice bath. So let's get on with it. Alrighty guys, so I've cooked all those chicken feet now, or fried all those chicken feet. I'm just going to leave them now in this ice water for about an hour, or maybe even 2 hours. Alright, I'll see you in a couple of hours. Alrighty guys, so here we are, about 2 hours later. I'll just show you what we're sort of aiming for with our chicken feet by putting in that cold water. See how it's sort of gone all bubbly up on the skin there? And that's kind of why we need to do that process. So I know it's a bit of a pain, but let's see another one. But yeah, you really need to do that to replicate the dim sum type of chicken feet dish. It's really important that we do that process. Alright, but let's make our sauce now. So, I've just got a little bit of vegetable oil in there. Where's my... I've got a bit of sesame oil. Now this is just on a medium-high heat, not the highest heat. I'm going to put a good teaspoon sesame oil. I've got a big knob of ginger. Getting that in there along with the juices. I've got about 4 cloves of garlic. And I've got 1 large red chilli. It's not so spicy because I'm going to be using a bit of spicy paste in a minute, as you'll see. Alright, now I realise you can't read the writing on that, but this is a, oh here we go, hot broad bean paste. And I'm just going to put about half a tablespoon of that in. I've got here some black bean garlic sauce. I'm going to put in a full tablespoon of that. Now those of you who are on the budget, sort of halfway with what I'm doing here, will probably point out these pastes and things aren't that cheap, but like yeah, I've only used a minuscule bit of that, a minuscule bit of that. So even though it costs, I don't know what it costs, $3 or $4 for each one, we'll get multiple uses out of it. Alright, let's keep going. I've got some dark soy sauce. I'm just going to put a tiny little bit of that, maybe 1 teaspoon. I've got some light soy sauce. We're going to probably put about a tablespoon of that. I've got my Chinese cooking wine here again. I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons of that. I'm going to give that a stir up. Get some ground black pepper in there. I'm not adding salt because I think there's plenty in those pastes already. Alright, next I've got some honey. And I'm going to add a good couple of tablespoons into that mix. And again, just let it cook for a little minute or two. And I'm just putting my chicken feet over here because now I'm going to take them out of that water. And get them into my mix there. Don't throw that water away yet. Alrighty guys, now once those chicken feet have been cooking around, and we've been stirring them around in that sauce for a few minutes. I'm going to get a little bit of my water that my feet were in and just top it up, maybe half a cup. We're going to stir that up again. We're going to push down all those nice bits of chili and garlic and ginger into that sauce mix, like so. We're going to get that up to the boil. I'm going to put that lid on it and let that steam for about 20 minutes, then take the lid off and just let the sauce reduce and thicken that again. Alrighty guys, as you can see, I've had the lid off there now for a little while. My sauce is concentrated and reduced again. My chicken feet are looking absolutely awesome. I'm just going to turn that heat off and just let it cool down slightly, and I'm going to taste it. Alrighty guys, so I've served up here, a serving of my yum cha chicken feet. You know, in that Chinese style, normally things come in threes, so yeah, you'd order a little plate. I've got a big plate, but normally they come on a little plate, 3 of them. Yeah, I'm just going to try one. Let's give it a go. Oh, as you can see, I've just sliced up some spring onion, fresh spring onion, scallion, to garnish it. Let's go. Let's have a look up close, actually. And again, I'm just trying to emphasise that sort of effect on the skin, that deep frying, and then into the cold water for that time. And yeah, that's exactly the effect we want. Alright, let's try it. Absolutely delicious. That is just such a treat. And man, talk about finger licking good. It doesn't get any better than that. Oh man. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Thanks to all you people who've subscribed to my channel. Really appreciate it. You long-termers, you're great. More recent people who subscribed, thanks for that. Thanks for jumping on board this train here. Really enjoying it. Really enjoying sharing some recipes with you. Yeah, and it's going to continue. So thanks. If you're not a subscriber and maybe this is the first video you watched or something like that, can I just ask you to hit that subscription button? There's yeah, plenty more, like I say, plenty more videos to come. There's a heap in the back catalogue if you're just into watching without subscribing. Whatever you want to do. Anyway, I will see you all next time.